Hello and welcome to my course, 30 Days to Decluttered Bliss. Now, I think everyone would say they want a decluttered home. I think that's something a lot of people strive for, but it is hard. It takes a lot of work, and that's why I made this course. It is a 30-day challenge to get your home decluttered, and I know you can do it. I am so excited for you. You will see so many benefits after going through this course and decluttering your home. You will feel your sanity level go up, you'll feel your stress level go down. It's amazing, but stuff that accumulates that you don't use drains you, and you don't even realize it. So this course was made for you to make your home a space and a place that you love to be in, that relaxes you, because that's what we all want. That's what we strive for. So go ahead, take this course. It will really change your life.